reminds me of something, and I can't place it. When did I make a flat Diglett, and why?
Was it for your game? Which you have to talk about at some point. You gotta tell the people about that.
The final version, no, but there might have been a middle version that was kind of flat while I was trying to work out the...
He is noticing watching us make a friend in real time. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. That is very adorable. When you put it that way. Oh my gosh. Okay. I don't even know if I put mine in the middle of the board. I actually don't.
Oh, you know what? It's the Doug trio that were very flat on top. That's what I'm thinking of.
Huh. Well, if we want, we can always we can pile more icing on top and make it less flat. It's just, I mean, we probably will because we're putting dowels on them.
Precision.
Yeah.
It can be done.
It can be done. So I'm gonna see if I have dowels here. I'm trying to remember where my dowels are. I know where the straws are, but not the dowels. Oh. Pay careful attention to the Doug trio in the back. We used to have some dowel-ish things. Miss Editor.
Yeah?
Do we still have any like proper dowels, like those big, like the thick wooden dowels, out of curiosity?
I don't think so. I haven't seen anything like that in a while.
All right, so straws it is, and the straws are here.
Yes, they've been right beside me this whole time.
This whole time they've been here, so we're not going to use those ones. We're using boba straws.
Ooh, thicker.
This is the good stuff. I'm going to make sure there's nothing better first before I say that with too much authority. Yeah, boba straws are actually a classic. For whatever reason, like, well, not for whatever reason, they're nice and thick. Mm-hmm. These are like actually perfect for this kind of thing, and they're so tall. Now, we're probably gonna have...
too tall?
Yes, but that's something we can fix. Better for them to be too tall than not tall enough. That's what... This is... Oh, I should not... So, I would say, like, minimum 2?
Okay.
Yeah, like 3 is probably the safest, but like, I think 2 is probably all right. Yeah, so there's some that are in their packaging, and then there's some that are not. I would do the ones that aren't in their packaging. I think they're
all right.
Like, I think they're enough. I don't think we need the ones in packaging are like thicker for whatever reason.
Okay. So you go 2, and I think I'll go 3 since it has to travel.
That is a good idea. So what you can do is you can try to look at them and guesstimate how tall they'll have to be. It's kind of tough. That's very true, Miscellaneous Mal. It's way easier to cut them like this, eh? All right. Hair Metalugia! Hello! Welcome, Hair Metalugia. We've got the wonderful Katzer's Creations with us today. And we are trying to make some life-sized mole pocket monster life-sized desserts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, once you have one of them measured, you can just cut the other one to the same length. So we have markers and things, but I'm just gonna suffer. I prefer to be lazy. So I'm gonna cut 2 of mine the same size.
An offer.
You had an offer for my chat. What sort of offer, title system? If you put us... bring it closer. You got this. I got head out. Oh no. Cool, getting frosting on my mouse pad. That's really good. 10 on 10. Always do that. Please. Oh, that's great. That's really good. Crochet Diglett is having a bit of a time, eh?
All right, so you want it like as close to the height as possible without being taller?
Exactly. And like worst case, you can try to pull it out to put it back, like to trim it a bit, or just put more icing down. But you know, it's not easy. So what you're also going to do is it's going to get difficult at like in the last couple like centimeters. You're going to use the other straw to push it down.
Okay.
Now, I am Voltron. Welcome, happy Pokemon Day to thee. All right. You just choose a spot. This is so bizarre. And then what? Oh, that's very kind, title system. Oh, that's very kind. I can imagine if there's anyone in your life who you think would appreciate it, please prioritize them. That's very kind, though. Thank you. Yay! Jess, thank you for the link to Cats's Creations. I should have an alert that's like giving her a shout out every 15 or so